In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to obtain the latest year, quarter, month, or week number in Power BI using DAX. This process is essential for anyone looking to keep their Power BI reports up to date with the most recent time metrics. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a seamless way to retrieve this information, ensuring your reports remain relevant and informative. First things first, we'll begin by opening Power BI. If you haven't already, make sure you have Power BI installed on your computer. Once you have it open, you'll see the interface ready for your data analysis journey. If you're new to Power BI, it might seem a bit daunting at first, but don't worry, we're going to take it step by step. Now, once you've got Power BI up and running, our next task is to go to New Measure. The option for New Measure is typically located in the Modeling tab at the top of the screen, so let's click on that. If you're wondering what a measure is, it's essentially a way to perform calculations on your data in Power BI. Measures use DAX, which stands for Data Analysis Expressions, a collection of functions, operators, and constants that can be used in a formula or expression to calculate and return one or more values. Once you've clicked on New Measure, you'll see a formula bar appear at the top. This is where we're going to type in our DAX code. Now, I know what you're thinking. Writing a formula might sound tricky if you're not used to it, but don't worry, as we'll keep it straightforward and easy to follow. At this stage, you'll type in the specific DAX code needed to get the latest year, quarter, month, or week number. The code might look something like this: latest year atau max UWAX calendar year. This code will pull the maximum year from your date table. Similarly, you can type in different formulas to get the latest quarter, month, or week number by adjusting the formula to suit the column you're referencing. If you're pulling the latest quarter, it might look like this: latest quarter L max calendar quarter, and so on for the month and week. And there you have it. By entering this code, Power BI will automatically calculate and display the latest values you need for your reporting purposes. The beauty of DAX is that it updates with your data, so you'll always have the most current information without manual updates. And that's how simple it is. With these steps, you can now grab the latest year, quarter, month, or week number effortlessly, and you're all set to enhance the timeliness of your Power BI dashboards. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful.